The setup, of course, it does take some time to do some prep work, like Shane mentioned, right? All the things to get things done in time is to get the prep work set up. So it took us probably just about 3 weeks from tear down to finish of this wall. We have to pull down our 4x4 displays. Of course, definitely working with ViewSonic, working with our local vendors, integrators. Shout out to GST, working very closely with ViewSonic. The engineers coming up, removing the panels of our video walls, the large screen TVs, and then set up the brackets. Of course, working with our facility. So if you're an institution or higher ed, working your facility is a must because you have to really make sure that the powers is there, the structure wall is able to retain the wall, the DV LEDs, and schedule has to be lined up, right? So getting those set up is important. So for us, pulling together, we did this over end of July, and by mid-August, we're able to finish the setup ready for our fall semester that was actually back in 2024 last year.